The Ballon d'Or is being awarded in less than 2 weeks' time, where we'll find out who the best football player on the planet in 2025 is. So I recently decided to have a bit of fun. I developed a data science model to predict the winner. That project is available on YouTube. You can follow and subscribe to Digital Proximity to have a look at the full-length YouTube video. Yeah, so I decided to do a simple video overview of our data science model. As you can see, the Ballon d'Or prediction model was developed with the Flask Python application. Our predicted winner is Ousmane Dembele. We have a predicted list of the top 30 Ballon d'Or nominees that was generated by our data science model. I would like to give a shout out to Planet Football. They provided us these statistics they got from whosquad.com. So you can see the top 30 Ballon d'Or ratings of the players throughout every game of the season was considered in these player ratings. So these player ratings can be generated from whosquad.com. If I go over to the statistics tab, it shows statistics of football teams from the top 5 leagues and football players from the top 5 leagues for the current season. So if you want to look at the past season, you go over to comparison and you can compare players. If we're looking at 2024-2025 Premier League, Arsenal, we have Declan Rice on the list. Chelsea, we have Cole Palmer on the list, so you can submit and it will give you the player statistics and the player rating. 7.09 for Declan Rice and 7.3 for Cole Palmer. You can generate this for all the 30 players on the Ballon d'Or shortlist. You can find the Ballon d'Or shortlist on the official Ballon d'Or page. Average ratings are not enough to win the Ballon d'Or. We also have to look at trophies and the number of awards won. So I did some prompt engineering with GPT-5. I provided it the list from Planet Football and I asked it to generate for me a summary table. This process took me about 2 hours. The data sets that I used, you can find them on Kaggle. You can search my name. I have a profile on Kaggle that has the data set that I used to develop this code. When I go over to data sets, you can find the information on FIFA Ballon d'Or Place Player predictions of 2025. I have 2 data sets. Here are the Ballon d'Or shortlist and then also the Ballon d'Or winners. So you can save these as CSV files. GPT-5 helped me to do that. I added a lot of information on my own, so it wasn't complete. So we can go and look through the code. Basically, we used pandas to load and process the data. We used read CSV method to read the contents of the shortlist and the winners. We also returned the winners data frame and then we computed the scores using a bonus point system. Define compute scores whereby we award bonus points for players that have won trophies for their club and players that have won individual awards. Also, we consider players from the top 5 leagues in Europe: Premier League, La Liga, Serie A, Bundesliga and League One, because it's very hard for players that are not part of the top 5 league to win a Ballon d'Or. So we used the formula whereby we added the average ratings for the players, the number of trophies they won times the trophy bonus, plus also the number of individual awards they won times the award bonus. And then after, we developed a sorted list where we used the final score to generate a list that is in descending order. That's why you have ascending false here. The general explanation of the code is on YouTube. You can run this Python code by running python app.py. So you can see, based on this system, Ousmane Dembele is the one who ended up having the highest score. Lamine Yamal came in second here with the second highest score. You can see, because he won 3 trophies and 3 individual awards, he was the best player in the La Liga. He was also part of the Champions League dream team. Mohamed Salah, Liverpool, surprisingly only won 1 trophy, but he won 5 awards, including Football Writers Association Player of the Year, including PFA Player of the Year. He won it a record 3 times. Player of the Season Award 3 times. Golden Boot 4 times. He's the only player to do that alongside Thierry Henry. So he has a good reason to come in third. Although some may argue that Nuno Mendes of PSG should come in third. He won 4 trophies with PSG. He won a UEFA Nations League with Portugal. So basically, using our average point score system, we added the average ratings of each player throughout the season and plus the awards they won. So the full explanation of this code is available on YouTube. FIFA Ballon d'Or, there's a 20-minute video that explains it. This video is meant to only be 5 minutes. You can find this code within my GitHub. Go over to Nixaqua, go to repositories, you'll find Ballon d'Or data science model. You can download, come up with your own data science model, or use it as reference. I provided the CSV files on Kaggle. They're up to date. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Follow and subscribe to Digital Proximity on all social media platforms, LinkedIn, TikTok. So catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.